Hello everyone, welcome to Larafant. My name is William Juma. In this video, I would like us to talk about a new feature in livewire which is called wire current. Traditionally, whenever you are working with navigation items, maybe the top navigation or even the bottom navigation, you usually have a way in which you want to highlight the current selected item, or in other words, the active link. And just to show you how you can be able to achieve that if you are working with a Laravel application, what we can be able to do, these are the links that we can be able to see in this page here. And this is a livewire component. And so I have used wire navigate to ensure that we have a bar here, a loading bar, a nice loading bar above here. And also we have it loading in a very slick manner. But for you to be able to now point and ensure that you have the current link, you are supposed to add some kind of code that looks like this. So you add it because we are modifying our CSS and ensuring that the background here is green and the text is bold. So we have to add some CSS that will be rendered conditionally. So in our class, where we have this class here, and it will be a representative of every other class, we have our CSS, and then in that place we also ensure that we have the request URL. So we are checking the URL and ensuring that this URL is the same as /home. And if that is the case, then we give a background of green and font bold, because that will be the current link. Otherwise, we would give it an empty string. In other words, we will leave the formatting to remain as it were. So now I would like us to try and use the new feature which we have in livewire. So I will delete everything we have here. And just instead of doing any other thing, I'm going to just say wire current. And then inside here is equals to, inside here we are going to now pass the CSS that we want to render if this, the classes that we want to render if this is a current link, like that. And so this home tab is the only one that I've been able to modify, and I would like us to try and see if it still works correctly. And I think that is very nice, and that in a way can be able to even make my code a little bit more readable, so I can remove every place where I have whatever it is that I had created to check that conditionally. So I will remove all this, and you see now I'm not concerned about which link it is, because on this other side we were forced to state explicitly what link we were working with for us to be able to show it as an active link. But now if I remove all of them, I will just paste the same specific piece of code, and that will be able to sort this problem out without a lot of sweat. So I will remove all of them like that, and then just copy this one here the way it is, and then we will just paste the same way in a similar way, so it will be on its own. It will not be on the other piece of code like it were initially. It will be independent. And now if I'm to save, then I expect that now everything will work fine. And as you can see, I'm not specifying which link we are visiting. So it will be able to match automatically and check which among the links is an active one. So if I click on dashboard, you can see it's behaving. On home, it's behaving. On maybe I just want to maintain on this one because the others will be going to a different place, maybe notifications, you can see. So that is how you can be able to sort of have a nice way in which you can be able to write your classes using wire current. What do you think about this feature? Share in the comments below. If you like the video, Give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you have a comment, a compliment, please consider sharing in the comment section below. And you can also share this video